Introducing the African Diaspora News Channel app, your gateway to stories that's overlooked by the corporate mainstream media.
And we serve as the voice to the so-called Black community.
Here we got Dr. Candace Matthews.
A lot of these documents, looking at.
We are committed to informing and educating through the power of media.
This country is supposed to be about the land of the free for all. It has not been free for Black people, and we are tired.
With our platform, we're helping to end injustice by exposing it.
Join us in standing for excellence in journalism and serving our community. Download the African Diaspora News app today.
Today we discuss a provocative video that's gaining traction online and sparking debates around the concept of Black privilege. Hello everyone, my name is Naledi Mfoloe and it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to the latest edition of the African Diaspora News channel, where we unravel the stories that shape our world and our communities. Today we dive deep into the currents of information, from the pulse of politics to the heartbeat of entertainment. We've got it all covered, so please stay tuned for a news experience like no other. An African man posted a video recounting how he secured 2 seats on a full train while white passengers stood, sarcastically labeling this experience as Black privilege. Now, the video raises questions about racial dynamics, societal reactions to privilege, and the broader concept of equality in public spaces. Let's have a look.
That's cold.
Now, the video was recorded by an African man who shares his experience of obtaining 2 seats in a crowded train. In the video, he points out that several white passengers remained standing while he comfortably occupied the seats. Using a sarcastic tone, he refers to the situation as Black privilege. Now, this is a term usually linked to the advantages people perceive to come with being part of marginalized groups. Now, the video has sparked heated discussions on social media. Some viewers applaud the man's sense of humor and perspective on turning tables, while others criticize what they see as a mockery of the genuine struggles that Black communities actually face. Now, some say it's a sharp commentary that exposes the absurdity often associated with the idea of privilege. Now, he's cleverly flipping the script to actually illustrate a point. Others say that this kind of sarcasm undermines real issues. Privilege, whether white or Black, is complex, and oversimplifying it in this manner doesn't actually help anyone. Now, the incident opens up a broader conversation on how we interpret and actually discuss the concept of privilege. Here's my personal take, right? While the term Black privilege in this context is used sarcastically, it actually highlights the necessity for the ongoing dialogue about racial dynamics and systematic inequalities. Now, I think it's imperative that we approach such discussions with nuance and understanding, recognizing the historical and social contexts that shape experiences of privilege and disadvantage. Now, the term Black privilege in this scenario serves as a social mirror. It calls for a deeper conversation about the actual lived experiences of racial groups. Now, as we continue to engage with these vital topics, I think it's essential to listen respectfully, reflect thoughtfully, and actually strive towards a society where every individual's dignity is upheld. Now, with that being said, what are your thoughts in regards to this video? Let's engage in the comment section. We want to hear from you. And please be sure to give this video a thumbs up while you are at it. That's it from me. Till we meet again, it is goodbye for now.